How to do your yearly goal planning. Number one, reflect on the past year, noting successes and failures. Set clear intentions for the upcoming year. Number two, choose 3 to 5 key goals that align with your values and long term vision. Number three, divide each goal into smaller, actionable steps to make them manageable. Number four, use a planner to schedule tasks for each goal, assigning deadlines and time for each step. Number five, identify and prioritize the most important tasks to stay focused and efficient. Number six, regularly review your planner to track progress, celebrate milestones, and adjust your plan as needed. Number seven, share your goals with someone who can help keep you motivated through regular check ins.